Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to crochet these adorable cat heads. This is literally easiest and quickest tutorial I've ever made. So let's get started. I'm gonna use this milk cotton with a 2.5mm crochet hook for the whole project. You can use any color you want. Here I'm gonna show you by using orange yarn. First, we're gonna make a magic ring. After making magic ring, make 8 single crochet into that magic ring. I'm gonna mark the first stitch with stitch marker. After making 8 single crochet, pull the yarn tail to close it. So this is round 1. We're gonna start round 2. I'm gonna remove the stitch marker and make 1 single crochet at the first stitch. I'm gonna mark the first stitch of round 2 with stitch marker. So in round 2, we're gonna make 8 increase. So I'm gonna make another 1 single crochet at the same stitch. So this is 1 increase. Basically, increase means making 2 stitches in 1. I'm gonna show you again. At the next stitch, make 2 single crochet. Now we've got 2 increase. Repeat like this until the end of the row. Now we have finished round 2, so I'm gonna remove the stitch marker and make 1 single crochet at the first stitch to start round 3. Mark the first stitch with stitch marker. So in round 3, we're gonna make 1 single crochet and 1 increase for 8 times. I've made 1 single crochet here, so I'm gonna make increase at the next stitch. So this is 1 single crochet and 1 increase for 1 time. We're gonna repeat like this 7 more times. So make 1 single crochet at the next stitch and increase at the next stitch. Now we've got 2 sets. Repeat like this until the end of the row. Now we have finished round 3. We're gonna start round 4. So I'm gonna remove the stitch marker and make 1 single crochet at the first stitch. Mark the first stitch with stitch marker. So from round 4 to round 8, we're just gonna have to make a total of 24 single crochet by making 1 single crochet in each stitch of each round. Now we have finished round 8. After round 8, we're gonna stuff the head. So I'm gonna remove the stitch marker. And then we're gonna stuff it loosely. After stuffing, we're gonna continue next round, which is round 9. In round 9, we're gonna make 3 chains first. After making 3 chains, we're gonna insert the hook into first stitch and last stitch and make double crochet. So I'm gonna insert the hook into first stitch and then insert the hook into last stitch and pull the yarn through 2 stitches and make double crochet. After that, insert the hook into second stitch and first to last stitch and make half double crochet. And insert the hook into third stitch and second to last stitch and make single crochet. After that, we're gonna make 6 slip stitches by inserting the hook just like this. After making 6 slip stitches, we're gonna make 1 single crochet and then 1 half double crochet and finally make 1 double crochet and then make 3 chains. After that, insert the hook into the same stitch with double crochet and make slip stitch and then cut the yarn. Now we're gonna hide the yarn tail. So attach the yarn tail with needle and insert the needle into the same stitch that we made slip stitch and then hide the remaining yarn tail. Now we finished the head. Now we're gonna make the eyes at round 6 with 5 stitches apart. To make the eyes, cut the black yarn around 10 cm, attach it with needle and make a knot at the end. After making the eyes, leave the yarn tail just like that. We're gonna use it later. Now we're gonna make the nose between the eyes. For that, I'm gonna use 1 strand from the yarn, attach it with a needle and make a knot at the end. We're gonna make the nose at the middle stitch here. The thread should come out from the middle of the stitch. Don't pull the yarn very tightly, pull it gently. And then come out the needle one stitch apart from the eye. We're gonna make the whisker. We're gonna make the whisker at these 2 stitches. Leave the yarn tail like that. Now we're gonna attach the needle with this yarn again. We're gonna make the nose with this yarn. Make it at the middle stitch. After that, double tie the 2 yarn tails and cut. Now the face is finished. Now we're gonna make the scarf between round 3 and round 4. So we're gonna crochet around this. We're gonna start from the back. So I'm gonna insert the hook around here. And then pull through the yarn. You can use any color you want for the scarf. After that, make 2 chains. And then starting from the same stitch that we made chain 2, we're gonna make 22 half double crochet. Bring along the yarn tail on the hook. I'm gonna mark the first stitch with stitch marker. After making 4 stitches, I'm gonna leave the yarn tail here and continue. Now I finished 21 half double crochets, so I'm gonna make the final one. For that one, we're gonna insert the hook into the first stitch like this, and then make the 22nd half double crochet. After that, make slip stitch with the first stitch, and then make chain 1 and cut. I'm also gonna cut the hidden yarn tail. Now we're gonna hide this yarn tail. After that, we're gonna make the front piece. We're gonna make it at these 2 stitches. So I'm gonna insert the hook at the first stitch, then pull through the yarn. After that, make 6 chains. After making 6 chains, starting from the 3rd chain from the hook, we're gonna make 4 half double crochet. And then insert the hook into 2nd stitch and make slip stitch. And then cut the yarn. Now we're gonna hide the yarn tails. Insert the needle into the same stitch. Double tie the 2 yarn tails and cut. Now the head is all finished. This is all the heads I made in one sitting. It's so easy and so quick. Thank you so much for watching my video and subscribe for more cute stuff. See you again. Bye bye.